Right now we're cleaning the windows so we can put tint that I ordered on the windows. So this is me cutting the tint because it comes in pre-cut sheets, but I have to cut off all the extra so it's easier to work with. So this is soapy water. And you have to soak the window down so that when you stick this on the inside of the window,
Yeah.
it doesn't
You're missing a spot.
I'm not done.
No, stop!
It doesn't stick, so you have time to apply it.
There's soap in my eyes now.
Good. Then you soak the tint down. So you peel this back a little bit. And then spray it with just soapy water. And do that all the way down. Don't let it touch itself, because it'll stick. Then you just line it up. Get all the edges to tuck in. And you also want this
FYI,
to
we're
be
not
sealed.
professionals.
Yeah, we are. So then you slide it way up, get the bottom to go in. And then I have to grab the squeegee. No, squeegee. It's a fun word. Squeegee. Like cars.
I don't get it.
Luigi. What's his name? Guido. Then you just get all the bubbles out.
Satisfying.
It is pretty satisfying.
Well, as soon as I hit recording, you stop.
It's like a car wash for the inside.
Yeah, that needs it.
It does. I'm cleaning the windshield. We got all the tint on, and it looks pretty good, I would say. We're not being professional.
We're not just gonna minus that door over there.
Yeah, that door got a little funky because some idiot trimmed it. Some idiot.
Yeah.
Name anyone? Me. When it was still down, so I had to splice in a little bit of pieces on the bottom. Oh well.